All right, hey you guys, welcome to my channel. So today we've got this Upart unit, this Kinky straight Upart from Nadula Hair. They threw in some goodies for me. This is the unit. I know you guys have seen it before, but if you haven't, this is what you would receive. A Upart is pretty much like a sew-in without like sitting there in a chair forever. That's just basically what we're gonna go with, y'all. So I did go ahead and wash this unit, laid it out to dry just a bit, and then I'm just going to lay my edges using my, I think this is my knee braid gel, and of course my Blue Lagoon, but you guys know I will put everything down below in the description box, so make sure you guys check there or my Amazon store, all the details on this unit, and of course the products that I use will be listed down below for you. But yeah, just gonna go ahead and slick my edges back. This was actually Valentine's Day today, you guys, but we were staying at home, no like real plans, just me, dear, and Isaiah. Of course Valentine's Day was also on a Tuesday, wasn't it? Something like that, or a Monday, can't remember. So yeah, we just had dinner at home, but I still wanted to look kind of decent, you know, because it's the day of love. Why not? So next, just using a bit of heat protectant, the Silk Elements heat protectant, and just using my blow dryer, my handleless blow dryer, to, you know, basically not have a wet wig on my head because I just don't like that. So just blow drying the hair a bit before I pop this baby on. And just to show you guys the inside is standard, nothing new. You got your little combs that just kind of pop in, no like actual clip-in combs. You guys get what I'm trying to say? I forgot the like actual specific name of these kind, but anyways, they just slide into your braid. And if you do plan on like taking this on and off, which you should be doing, because it's not the best thing to do to sleep in your, you know, clip-ins or like a U-part like this, but I totally understand if you do. But let's just say you don't want to, make sure you just have an anchor braid right there at the top so that it's easy for you to pop on and off and that your wig actually does not slip. So next, y'all, I'm just gonna take like medium sections and just flat iron this hair using my croc flat iron, just doing the comb chase method. I didn't want this hair to be super flat. It's already pretty full. I want to say the density on here without looking it up is like 180. I don't think it's quite 200, but 180, and it's already kinky straight. So it's got a lot of hair in it, you guys. You would not be disappointed. If it's too much for you, always remember you can always thin it out with some thinning shears, but I liked it. I was for the big hair today for Valentine's Day, so that's why I'm doing kind of like these medium sections. All right, y'all, so I've got this side nice and flat ironed. I am curious, let me know down below, do you guys prefer this hair with the kinkiness, like the actual visual kinks in it, or just the actual texture when it's, you know, like after it's been flat ironed, like you can do without the kinkiness, I can't even say that word, at the roots of this? I just want to know, just curious, let me know what you think down below. One other question I have for you is, when do you, besides the winter time, straighten your hair if you're a natural, or wear your hair straight as far as seasons go? Is it winter and spring? Is it fall and winter? I'm just curious about that as well, because it seems like when it starts to get a little bit warmer as far as spring goes, definitely not summertime, I kind of get the urge to wear my hair out just like I would in the wintertime. But that could definitely be just me, you guys. But yeah, just let me know down below as well. I've actually been wanting a sew-in for a while now. But you know, when you've got a U-part, a V-part wig, you know, I could just pop this on and go. I don't have to sit in a chair. I don't have to be confined to just a sew-in. I can wear my natural hair. I can switch it up all I want to, all that good stuff. So here we are. So yeah, I could have left it like this, you guys, just showing you how I would have really left it if it was just a regular day, just left it straight. But like I said, it's Valentine's Day, so I'm just using my T3 curling iron and just adding some curls to this and putting my flexi rods in to hold the curls just a bit. I didn't want anything tight, just added a little bit of volume to this look for just a fun, flirty kind of just, you know, not so basic look for Valentine's Day. So I left the flexi rods in, y'all, like for maybe 10-15 minutes, not long at all, just enough to like touch up my makeup and grab like a snack or something like that. And this is how they turned out. The hair is beautiful. It's always so pretty. Kinky straight is probably one of my most favorite textures because I am a 4B 4C girl. I just love it. You know, just of course the texture matches is the closest match for me, but also the hair just always comes out so pretty, so soft. It's always so soft and so like full of volume. Now, unfortunately, the curls on this unit, like this particular look, did not stay that well. Like they look good right here, but they kind of, you know, fizzled out a bit as the day went on, which was fine. I just didn't want the hair to be super flat. I did end up spraying a little bit of hairspray, but that only held for just a bit. And then I ended up putting this hair like pulled up in a claw clip with a little bit hanging in the front. And that was basically it for this look, you guys. I just didn't want a lot of product in the hair and I wanted to keep it like just free flowing. So don't forget to check the description box, you guys. Everything will be listed down below for you. Let me know if you have any questions, comments, all that great stuff. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will talk to you guys in my next video.